So I got the notification on my phone on my drive home that the race soldiers in the fatal shooting of Alton Sterling will not be charged. Now, in case y'all don't know who Alton Sterling is, he was the man who police officers were trying to arrest him for selling CDs outside of a store, which is the store that's in the photo, and they ended up killing him because they said he was resisting. And the thing was, they shot him while he was on the ground and while officers were on top of him. The Justice Department has decided not to bring charges against the officers involved in the death of Alton Sterling, whose videotaped shooting by police in Baton Rouge prompted unrest across the city, and is planning to reveal in the next 24 hours that it has closed the probe, according to 4 people familiar with the matter. As of Tuesday afternoon, the Sterling family had yet to be informed by the Justice Department of the decision, and it is unclear how and when the department will announce its findings. We have not heard nor received an update and are unaware of any charges that may or may not be filed. Ryan Jewelison, a spokesperson for the Sterling family's attorney. We have not received word, nor has the family been given any updates regarding this case. The case will be the first time the department under Attorney General Jeff Sessions has publicly declined to prosecute officers investigated for possible wrongdoing in a high-profile case. And the thing with it's not possible wrongdoing. Like, the thing that really pisses me off about these officers not being charged is that you have them on videotape in the complete wrong, yet they're not going to be charged. Sterling's death last summer sparked tense protests across the city. President Obama had even weighed in on the matter, then declaring his confidence in the Justice Department probe and remarking, "We have seen tragedies like this too many times." The incident came the day before a police officer in Minnesota gunned down school cafeteria manager Philando Castile during a traffic stop that was broadcast on Facebook, and the same week that a black man upset by police and set out to kill white people gunned down 5 officers in Dallas. A little more than a week later, another gunman targeted police shot and killed 3 officers in Baton Rouge. And the thing is, I really don't care about that because my thing is, oh, you police officers, these pigs, can kill black people and not be arrested. Oh, but let a black person shoot a police officer, all hell breaks loose. By the police account, officers Blaine Solomoni and Howie Lake saw Sterling, 37, outside a convenience store in July after it was reported a man had threatened someone there with a gun. Sterling, who was selling CDs outside the store, fit the description of the man. And that's the thing that happens every fucking time. These black men who are being targeted, oh, they fit the description. Not all black people look alike. And that's the thing that they're going by. And that's the thing about with Steve Stevens. They were talking about, oh, he's bald headed. The reason they didn't want to catch him was the simple fact that all men now who have bald heads, anybody was for the taking. That opened up a whole area of people. A video of the shooting shows Sterling lying on his back with 2 officers on top of him. One of the officers appears to yell, "He's got a gun," and then shots ring out. A detective wrote in the search warrant affidavit that officers had observed the butt of a gun in Sterling's front pants pocket. How could he get the pocket if y'all had his? How could he get the gun if y'all had his hands restrained? At issue in the investigation was whether Sterling was reaching for the weapon, as officers claimed, when he was shot and killed. Local police and city officials have said this week that they believed a decision was imminent. However, they and representatives for Sterling's family said they had not been told when an announcement from the Department of Justice was coming. Some local schools have sent notes to parents informing them of action plans in the event of major protests, and several local lawmakers have publicly called on the Justice Department to end the suspense. I hope that there is a riot. Yeah, I really do hope that there is a riot. I hope that there is a fucking protest. If another police officer gets shot, oh well. That's just too damn bad. Because there are too many police officers who are using their title to commit murders on black men and black boys. So the fact that they're not being charged, and the thing is, I'm not surprised that they're not being charged. I'm not surprised at all. Leave your comments on what y'all think about this.